Hello, in this lecture we will define scrap value. According to Fundamental Accounting Principles, Wild 22nd edition, the definition of scrap value is estimate of amount to be recovered at the end of an asset's useful life, also called salvage value or residual value. When we're thinking about scrap value, we're thinking about property, plant, and equipment, fixed assets or depreciable assets, those assets that are usually larger in dollar amount and have a longer useful life. The idea of scrap value being what we believe the value of the equipment will be worth after it has been used in order to generate revenue at the end of its useful life. For example, we're going to take the tank here. It's going to be our property, plant, and equipment. It's going to be equipment in some way that's going to help us generate revenue in the future, a long-lived asset. We're going to put that equipment on the books at the cost. Then we're going to depreciate the cost over a time period, that time period being its useful life, how long we think the equipment will be useful to us in order to help generate revenue. At the end of that useful life, we still believe there will be a value, a scrap value, and that is the value we are talking about here. What will it be worth after we're done using it in the course of the business? Important for a couple different reasons. One is it's in the calculation for depreciation. For example, if we take the straight line depreciation, it could be calculated something like this. We would take the cost, then we're going to subtract from that the scrap value, the value we believe the equipment will be worth at the end of its useful life. That will give us the amount to be depreciated. Then we're going to divide that by the useful life, and that will give us the amount that we will depreciate over each year for the useful life of 4 years. For example, each year we're going to depreciate this $59,375 for the useful life of 4 years. At the end of 4 years, we will have depreciation that has accumulated or accumulated depreciation of this $237,500 and a book value of the cost less this $237,500 being the scrap value, the value that we believe the equipment will be worth at the end of its useful life.